We are installing a TNT Customs front bumper on a JK.
Yes.
And so the first thing you're doing is...
These little push pin clips. Just pop those off and it comes right off.
Okay, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These ones are trashed. They get corroded and you can drill out the center of them and then they'll come right out.
And these are, what size bolts are these attaching to the frame?
You'll use an 18mm socket. Do it as you're taking the bumper off because it's hard to get in there.
Right. And then it just slides right off.
Oh.
Now we're taking the fog lights out of the housing to put into the new bumper.
Yep.
Now you're putting the fog lights in the brackets,
Yes.
right? The spring clips.
They're in there.
You already put those on.
Yeah, they're in there. Yep, they just slide on.
They're spring nuts, right? Spring nuts, I think they're called.
Yes.
And then number 8 screws by 3/4.
Yep.
So you have 8 half-inch by 1 1/4 and 8 washers. And sometimes it's probably easier to have 2 people if you're not strong, right?
Yeah, these can be heavy.
So you
Just find it, find the hole, find the threads, start the bolt.
do you need nuts for this?
The nuts are on the bumper.
So we have pre-welded them in.
Yes. Ah! They're here.
Here.